Dear friends, I am giving you a demonstration how to use the teaching app Zoom. Now, before using this app, the basic requirement is to install this app on your mobile, which you can do by downloading it by Play Store or App Store in your mobile. You can see the icon of the Zoom. After installation, you will be able to see this icon on the screen. You have to just click on that icon. So we'll land up to this page which says start a meeting, or at the bottom you can see join a meeting, sign up, sign in is written over there. So since you are registering for the first time in the Zoom app, you have to click on sign up. After you click on sign up, this page will be shown. For verification, please confirm your date of birth. So you will obviously enter it. You will enter your date of birth as you have used for your Gmail account, the same data, and it's set. After hitting the set, you will come to a new page which heads sign up. In this, they will ask you the email account. Type your email account at the top. I've used a demo, an email account by the name ccbdemo12345@gmail.com, and then first name CCB and the last name is demo, and then sign up. After signing up, we'll land up to a page which says we sent an email to verify your account. After seeing this message, you have to go back to your Gmail account and open the Gmail account. Over there you have to search for a message with reference to the invitation. Okay, here you can see that we have got a message on the Gmail account which says please activate your Zoom. After clicking on it, you will open the page in which they have given a welcome message, and at the bottom you can see they have asked you to activate your account. So click on the activate account, that is on the blue color. You will see this page, browser, and then some loading will be done, and here it comes. They will ask you, are you signing up on behalf of a school? So obviously we are not using for the whole school, we are using for our personal. So you'll say no, and then you will say continue. Now after that you will receive this page which has three headings, that is account information, invite colleagues, test meeting. So one by one I am going to explain. We take the first thing, that is account information. So account information is already open, and you can see the information is already filled in it. CCB demo, that is the details of your email account, and then followed by password at the bottom. So you have to enter your password. This is just for your verification of your account in the Zoom. तो पासवर्ड आपने एंटर किया. If you have some doubt, you can just erase it and just type it again. It was capital C, small b, then demo in the lowercase @2000. Okay. So we have entered the password. Now it's time to click on continue. I think there is some mistake in the password, so you can re-enter it just for the sake of confirmation. So it's done. Now account information is done. Next is invite colleagues. Now invite colleagues is meant for the purpose if you want to have a parallel host along with you. If you want to assign somebody else along with you as a host to conduct the meeting. He can be your friend or he can be your student, anybody. But for security reasons, it is recommended that we should not go for this option. So you will just go at the bottom and click on skip this step. Skip this step. And then you will end up to the third and the last option, that is test meeting. And test meeting is like if you want a demo of how the meeting has to be conducted, which I am already giving you. So if you want to click on start meeting now, you can go for our demo. And here it comes. You can see this page and the page is open. If you will click on join meeting, you can join the meeting and so on. So this is the first video. I'll continue the rest of the things in the second video. This is about how to register yourself or how to sign up for the first time in the Zoom app. The second stage is to organize a meeting. That I'm going to cover up in the next video.